Hello, in this video I intend to show you some of the support that we have for cybersecurity and how you can work with supporting the ISO 21434 in SystemWeaver. As the example I'm going to show you is the headlamp example from the standard. So as I will show you here, in SystemWeaver you can stand on the Tara, you can work with your system model, and all the elements that you see here are actually based on and generated from the data model that you see in a tree view here. And all the properties of the SystemWeaver solution, including a fine-grained version management, lifecycle management, configuration management, are also included in the solution. So the graphs are editable. You can get quite a lot of information, and you can create your entire system model and item boundaries, select which assets you have. You can also work with other views. I'm just going to show you a few of them. You can work with the Tara in a graphical format. You can zoom in and get all the information, and you can connect and do your entire analysis in this unique graphical format. Or you can also do it if you're more comfortable with the grid views. Then you can use a spreadsheet or grid view of the Tara, and where you can add information, set the attributes, get some automatic calculations of different where it is available according to the standard. And you can go all the way to reducing your risk level to an acceptable level. You can define security goals, security requirements, allocate them onto the components, and then send them further down the line in your development process to be taken care of in design and implementation. We have quite a few other views as well. I will just show you one more here. So here I'm going to show you how an attack tree would look like. In this view, you have the attack tree generated for us from the data. You have with the connection between the attack events and the mitigation requirements. You have the automatic calculation of feasibility that propagates all the way up. And also, if you wish, you can have this quite unique functionality of also seeing how these attacks are connected to different parts of your design architecture and how these components are communicating with each other. We also have the WP29 catalog here that you can actually use in your analysis. So for instance, in our design here, if we go to the security grid, we see a part of the catalog that is applicable for your current design, and then you can choose to include your some of these threats and items and mitigations in your design, in your analysis as well. We have many more functionalities here, like automatic generation of a Tara report that is quite configurable as well, where you can get a final report of all the information that are relevant. You can export them as PDF, and we have user manuals and many other resources for your use. We also have quite an elaborate process description and which parts of the process fulfill which parts of the standard. So for you to be able to do gap analysis, we have context-based help and many other features. Happy to talk to you if you want to see a more detailed demo. Thank you.